As the world evolves, there is the need for you to learn a skill. When you learn a skill, you can make money for yourself or you can assist others with what you've learned. Today, I am going to teach you how to create an InVideo account. InVideo is an AI platform where you can create video contents for your channel, your businesses, or more. You can create an account on your computer or on your mobile phone as I am going to do now. Google InVideo and you'll be given different alternatives as you see in the video. So with this, I am going to log onto their official website. So we click on it and it will lead you to their homepage. Once you are here, you can explore the platform and get to know about some of the services they offer. You can edit videos, create complete videos for your clients, which can earn you some amount of money. Yes, as you can see, you can start a new revenue stream using InVideo. So let's scroll up and start with our account creation now. So you have a look around, you scroll up, yes, and then we click on try InVideo AI. No credit card required, so you are safe. So when you click on that, this is what you're going to see. You can sign up with Google or with your Apple account, but we are going to use the email method this time. So I input my email and click on create account. So I've been directed to look into my email or inbox for a code. So that is what I'm going to do now. I log or check my email for this code. I'm using a Gmail account. So I log on to gmail.com to check. If you're using Yahoo, you can check depending on the email you used. I hope you are getting me. So yes, I have several accounts, sorry. So I look through for the specific email I used. Then I log into it for the code. And this is it. That's the code that you see there. So I'm going to copy this code and paste it in here. Once I paste it, I click on create account. So we now wait patiently for the account to be created. As you can see, it is loading. So once it is loaded, you will be asked how you heard about the platform. Then you make your selection. I selected Google search because that's where I find the platform. And you will be asked why you are using the platform. So you choose from the alternatives provided. So from there, you'll be asked to create a username for your account and also a name for your workspace, of which I have done mine, as you can see, and I click continue. Once you click continue, your account will be created successfully. And once it's created, you have the chance to create any video that you want. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more. See you soon.